Okay, we're showing you the clearance, the difference between our LS hood and an original small block hood. Unfortunately, I don't have a small block hood to tell you what it is, but I'm going to show you what our LS hood is. And our LS hood is 68 to 82. We primarily redesigned the early C3 big block hood, but we took it all the way back to the windshield. So that clearance that you have on this is approximately the same as an original C2 big block hood. I have a square going across the back of this hood right now, which is approximately 24 inches back. Okay? And it's to the rear of the collision crush zone on these hoods is where that is. So when you come back that 24 inches, and this is going to the bottom of the frame of the hood, which is roughly the same as the bottom of your hood surround drip rail. So if you measure from the bottom of your hood surround drip rail up, you'll see right here at dead center, we're basically 3.5 inches with the clearance. So if we move our square piece back now, which is roughly 31 inches from the front, that's basically where your carburetor is sitting. If you're running a conventional carburetor, you're still about that 3.5 inches. So we'd have to get a stock small block hood, flip it over, make the same measurement, which we'll end up with here very soon. About 3.5 inches worth of clearance from the drip rail up. So you look at if you use a performer intake, this is giving us about the same as a stock hood from a later C3, which we've used performer intakes with the Holley carburetor and a drop base air cleaner if that's the route you're going. This is truly designed though for an LS engine, but not two people are the same. So have fun with what you're doing. Thanks for watching.